Hello, welcome to your latest Scotland weather update from the Met Office on what is going to be quite a wet and windy week. We're going to see some unsettled weather to come, but for the time being, as we go through Monday evening, it's a showery picture. The showers heaviest towards the west, and that's the theme through the night as well. Further eastern areas, a greater chance of staying dry with some clear skies, and under these clear skies, temperatures could take a bit of a dip. Notice around Braemar, other shelter glens towards the east, could see temperatures dropping into the mid-single figures. Not as cold as last night, and around the towns and cities, most places staying in double digits. So Tuesday then, a blustery, showery day for many of us. The showers will be quite heavy quite early on, so as we head towards Tuesday morning rush hour, there's the chance of some intense downpours, perhaps a bit of hail, maybe even some thunder mixed in. A drier picture further east, but the showers will reach here as we go into the afternoon, albeit they won't be quite as heavy or as frequent as they are further west. As we go through the afternoon though, some further heavy and perhaps even thundery showers to watch out for. Some sunny spells in between the showers, but temperatures nothing really to write home about, generally getting into highs in the low to mid-teens Celsius. And when you factor in the blustery winds, it will feel cooler than this. Showers continuing as we go through the end of the day on Tuesday, always more likely towards the west. Further east, a greater chance of having some drier, clearer weather as we go through Tuesday night. But some wet weather waiting out in the Atlantic, and this is going to sweep its way eastwards across Scotland as we go through Wednesday. A spell early on and then another spell of wet weather arriving as we go through the middle part of the day. That rain will be quite heavy, particularly around western parts of Scotland, and eventually reaching more southern parts where it will turn cloudy and wet as we go later on the day as well. Across more northern parts of Scotland, it's actually looking quite a similar day to Tuesday. By that I mean blustery, showery, but with some sunny spells in between those showers. It's across western, southwestern parts of Scotland where we will see the highest rainfall totals, which is why we have a warning in place. Could see up to 70 millimetres perhaps building up, so some localised flooding and some travel disruption is quite likely in association with the heavy rain. Temperatures on Wednesday, well, no great shakes again. If you're under the cloud and the rain, it's going to feel quite unpleasant, with temperatures around or perhaps even a little bit below normal for the time of year. As we head through Thursday and into Friday, we're going to see more unsettled wet weather pushing its way in from the west, and so totals building up again. Another warning, a bigger warning this time, covers pretty much all of western Scotland. Particularly around the Western Isles, we could see 75 to 125 millimetres of rain building up, perhaps even up to 150 millimetres of rain again. So some disruption to travel and some further flooding is possible. So it is worth keeping up to date with the warnings wherever you are across our social media channels, our website and our app. Bye-bye.